Hi, I'm Michaela Blackburn, and this is my reflection on the digital literacy project. First, I just want to start by saying this project was a lot more fun than I had first anticipated, and I really see the importance of this project, and I'm just thankful that we got to do it. So I decided to record myself with the questions that were given for the reflection and just put a few bullet points and then explain those bullet points. It's a little bit easier in a recording, I feel like. So one, what were the strengths of my lesson? I felt that my student was extremely engaged. She had a lot of fun. She enjoyed using Padlet. She enjoyed creating a KWL chart. She enjoyed learning about dolphins. All of it she was really engaged in. And I also thought Padlet was really easy to use, and so was a KWL chart. So integrating those together was actually a lot easier than I initially anticipated for the student to do. So that was great. And then I think just connection with the contents, not being in the classroom or around this student very much, picking something that she could connect with, was super interested with, and how doing a read aloud went into the KWL that went into the Padlet, how it all connected. And then also using a KWL I thought was very effective for this read aloud and for her to summarize and infer and all of the different standards that we met. Number two, what were the weak spots of your lesson? I felt time management. My lesson went a lot longer and I recorded a lot more than I wanted to. And a lot of that had to do with looking at how grammatically correct she was as well. Maybe I shouldn't have done that so much. And then also she just was having so much fun. So I didn't want to stop her, but maybe a little more control on that aspect. Number three, what did the students like about the lesson? What aspects were engaging, fun, or successful? Information, I kind of touched on this in number one, but the information about the dolphins. Afterwards, she ran up and was telling everybody about what she had learned. So I know that she really liked learning about the dolphins, and you could tell she was just very excited and enjoyed all of it. And then she really liked the Padlet. I did some reflection questions at the end, and she would definitely use Padlet again. Felt that the KWL chart was helpful to organize her thoughts and what she learned and summarize and answer questions that she was wondering. And I feel like it helped her retain the information very well, because I only read the book to her the time on the recording, and she remembered lots of things, I think, because that wonder portion prompts her to be looking and remembering those questions. Number four, what did students learn from the lesson? She learned many facts about dolphins. She learned how to summarize, infer. She learned how to use Padlet, how to create a KWL chart. She had never done that before, which I was actually kind of amazed here. Being in fourth grade, she had never seen one in her school. And just all of the different facts about dolphins and listening to read aloud and picking out those details and then being able to describe them. Number five, if you were to teach this lesson again, what would you change or keep consistent? I would definitely use KWL charts on Padlet, and after our peer coaching, all of the teachers agreed that it would be a useful tool for small groups, and then with some practice, it would be useful for a whole group. And there's many different things you could do on Padlet as well, besides KWL charts. Something I would change, maybe limit the amount of facts just for the time. So if there's only half an hour of time for this lesson, you can only write 3 Ks, 3 W, 3 Ls or something, just to, you hate to limit students when they're excited about something, but if there's so much time, or maybe just tell them, do these 3, and then if there's extra time, come back or work on it in your free time. I think that would be helpful. Number 6, which aspects of the assignment challenge you pushed you the most? So initially creating the lesson was a little bit, it took me a while mainly because I wasn't sure which technology to use. I'm hesitant with technology because I feel it can be overused. And then just trying to figure out what am I going to do with the technology and how do we integrate literacy and all of those variables and running parts, putting it together. That was the hardest part. And then 7, overall, what was your biggest learning about yourself as a teacher? So again, I wasn't the most comfortable with technology and creating an integrated lesson that focused on technology but making sure we get the literacy portion. I am now, after using Padlet and doing the lesson, I feel more comfortable using more technology within the classroom because I really saw how much more the student got out of the read aloud and out of the information than if I were to just do it on a whiteboard or smartboard myself or have them write it. I think Padlet really created some deeper level thinking and helped her retain the info. So I think I learned that I was very hesitant about using technology, but now I realize how it can be used well and appropriately, and that it can be very beneficial when done the right way. So, and this isn't about me, but learning that my students can learn more like with technology than you think. Like I was really amazed at how we had a mini lesson before my recorded lesson on using Padlet. She had never done it before, never done a KWL chart. We practiced a KWL chart on Padlet using drafts. I showed her maybe the K, she did the WL, and then by the time we got to the dolphins, I rarely had to help her. So just maybe having more confidence in students to use new technology, I guess, and taking that risk. So overall, I felt very good about this, and we had a lot of fun, and I would definitely do it again. Thank you.